Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and please subscribe and like the video if you find it useful. So today we will be discussing about the major reaction. As you have seen many times in your chemistry textbook or on many reactions, the this this reagent such as PCl3, PCl5 or SOCl2. So now today we will see seeing what will be the reactant for this and what will we get product for this by a simple trick. This is also called as sometimes we have given thionyl chloride on arrow also. So we will discussing this type of reaction today. So first of all, what is the reactant for this type of reaction? So the reactant is oxygen containing compounds. So oxygen containing compound, that may be alcohol, aldehyde, ether or any other oxygen containing compound. So for solving this type of the question we have mechanism also, but to solve that easily and without wasting much time, we can have to remember easily 4 points. So first point is whenever alcohol is present in the function group such as CH3, CH2OH like that, or phenol. So remove this OH and replace it by halide ion. Like we have given like here PCl3, PCl5. We may also have given PI3, PBr3 also. So we have to remove OH from and replace it by halogen. So the second point is, if we have not given alcohol functional group and oxygen is given such as in ketone or aldehyde. So in this we have to remove oxygen atom and put a halogen in place of oxygen atom. The third point is, if we have more than one alcohol group, so we will have to replace all alcohol group from halogen atom. And fourth point is, if we have more than one type of oxygen, like more than one type is not isotopic oxygen we are considering here. More type is either single bond or double bond oxygen. So we have to replace the single bonded oxygen if both type of oxygen is present by halogen. So now we will see examples of this reaction. So now you see example. This is the alcohol. So we have given three PCl3, PCl5 associated. So the major product we will get is RCl in all the three compound as same, and the other product what we get is difference. So we have replaced OH group with Cl chlorine group. So sometimes we also ask the byproduct also. So byproduct we will see H3PO3 will be found here. HCl plus PCl3, and in this we will SO2 plus HCl. So these are the byproducts we will get. So we have seen the first point of our consideration. Now we will use the second point when we have given more than one alcohol group on a compound. So we have given PCl3, PCl5, SOCl2. So we will get chlorine, chlorine and chlorine. So now there is an important example of this also, which is we take this similar compound which is glycerol. So this is glycerol, you everyone know. So now we are given an arrow Pi3 or Pi5. So first we will replace alcohol from iodine. Now as we know that the iodine is a big molecule and it will hinder this occlusion. So this is removed as I2 and we will get as iodine, and here we will get double bond. So this will again come. double bond CH2 CH2I. So this is the final product. So this we have to remember. Whenever 2 iodine is present on neighboring carbon, this will remove as I2, because iodine is a big molecule, so it will hinder the position and alkene is formed. Now we will see an example where OH and double bond both are present. So we have to only, as we have point, remember the point, we have to only remove this OH. So don't panic anything and remove just the OH because OH is present. If OH is not present, then we have to replace oxygen. And if now we will see another example. If RC double bond OH. In this we have seen that OH is not present. So what will we give? We do Cl3. So R, as we have seen oxygen has 2 valency, we will replace it by 2 chlorine ion. So this is the product we will get. So RCCl2H. And then another example of this is ROR. So PCl5 is given. So in this we have broken this bond of this and we will get RCl plus RCl. Because we are breaking bond from here both sides, so both sides Cl will join and we will get 2 moles of RCl. In the previous example also we have broken the oxygen bond and placed 2 chlorine atom here. So next we will see another example. Oxygen. So in this we have broken a bond from here. So what we will get is PCl5, Cl and Cl. So this is the examples we can solve easily in seconds. Now we will see an example where 2 types of oxygen is present, means a double bond and single bond. So we just have to simply remove the single bonded chlorine. So we will break this bond from here and here. So we will get RCOCl plus RCl. So these are the compound, and in this we will broke from here. So we will get 2 moles of RCOOCl. So it is easy, very easily. Now we will see one more example which is important. So if we have given amide RCOO and H2 and we have given PCl5. So we will do the same thing, which is we will remove oxygen and put 2 chlorine atom here and NH2. Now this in this compound we have given, this is base and this is acid. So acid base reaction will happen and HCl is removed. So 2 chlorine atoms present, so 2 HCl is removed and double bond is and one bond is break here. So we will get R triple bond CN. So the second important reaction is Friedel-Crafts reaction, which is FCI. So the reagent used is here Lewis acid such as AlCl3 or HF, or we can use as H plus also. Mainly we have given anhydrous AlCl3. So this reaction is used for alkylation or aeration of benzene ring. So the first we use alkylation of benzene. So first we have 3 methods for the alkylation of benzene. First with the help of alkyl halide. So benzene we have given plus we will take as propyl chloropropene CH2 CH2 Cl. We have given anhydrous AlCl3. So as we have given, this is a Lewis acid and we know that in the presence of Lewis acid carbocation is formed. So this is formed in presence of AlCl3, we will get CH3 CH2 CH2 plus. So this carbocation will go to rearrangements, which is CH3 CH2 plus CH plus CH3. So this will react with the benzene present here, and the product form is benzene isopropyl. So this is the final product we will get. So second, with the help of alcohol, so we have given benzene plus alcohol. We will take now also as and we have given like we also have taken ASA3, but sometimes we have given H plus also. So this we will take as CH2 del minus del plus OH minus. So this will remove as water, so minus H2O. So the charge is formed here is CH3 CH2 CH2 plus. So this will again go to rearrangement and form CH3 CH plus CH2 3. So which react with benzene ring and form benzene isopropyl. So third is with the help of alkene. So we have given benzene and propane. So we have given HF. So this H plus and F minus. So this attached here. So the polarity will go here minus plus sign will happen, and then this will rearrange and we will get this as the intermediate, and we will finally get the same product as isopropyl. So the main thing is we have to do rearrangement in these reactions because carbocation is formed. So now we will see Friedel-Crafts acylation. So we have given benzene ring and we have given reagent as CH3COCl, HCl3 or Ac2Ca. So the product we will get both in both is same, like we will get COOCl. This chlorine minus goes polarity open and the cation will form here. CH3COO plus cation will form. So which will relate with the benzene and we will get this. Now we have an important reaction. Like you have seen in NCERT book it is given that aniline will not give Friedel-Crafts reaction. So we will see why. So we have given aniline and given Ac2O AlCl3. So the AlCl3 is a Lewis acid and this is a base. Aniline is a base. So here acid base reaction will happen. So we will get NH2 plus Cl minus. So we will get salt as the product. So that is why we are not getting the Friedel ammonia is not giving aniline is not giving Friedel-Crafts.